About this item: high capacity, more durable. CELEWELL has specialized in manufacturing batteries for 16 years. Due to the use of the best materials, the manufacturing process is more sophisticated. CELEWELL has developed the highest actual capacity 130 mAh for CR1632 batteries. All models of CELEWELL have the indicated capacity on the cardboard. Most of brands on the market have no capacity indicated on the cardboard. They are also write virtual high capacity when describing product information. Premium performance, safer. CELEWELL promises CR1632 batteries no leakage in 5 years, much better than those ordinary batteries with 1 to 2 year shelf life on the market. ISO 90010, CEROHS on 38.3 safety certified. Brand warranty. With a professional research and development team, CELEWELL is now famous for producing high-quality batteries all over the world with strict quality control plus 5 years CELEWELL brand warranty. CELEWELL's aim is to make you happy when you buy batteries. MFG date and warranty date are marked on each battery card package. Multiple compatibility: compatible with BR1632, CR1632, DL1632, ECR1632, KCR1632, LM1632, as CR1632 means battery dimensions: diameter 16 mm and height 3.2 mm. Applicable devices: ideal for Toyota, Prius, Lexus car. Key fob remote, Garmin Vivofit, polar watch, LED flashlight, LED reading glasses, garage door openers, smoke detectors, tire pressure monitoring system, and so on. In the description to get